Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What if you cannot find a NOC code for your job, or you cannot find the right NOC code for your job? Then I have previously created a video that if you have selected a NOC, then how can you determine that it is the correct NOC code for your profile? Okay, but in this video, I'm going to share, if you cannot figure out your NOC code, then what can you do? Okay, so the first step is that obviously you have a job title in your company wherever you're working. For example, I'm working in a company where I'm called area sales manager. Okay, and if I write area sales manager on the NOC code website, the link is in the description. If I write the same exact job title, maybe the search result will share no NOC code. Zero NOC codes match your search keyword. Okay, so thing is, there might be another name for my job. Okay, for example, corporate sales manager. For example, territory sales manager. Okay, so thing is, whichever your job title is, if you cannot find the exact match during your research about the NOC codes on the CIC website of NOC codes, if your job title appears there, then you're good to go. Okay, and all you have to do is match your duties with that, ensure that 75% duties match with your actual job, and you would be good to go. Okay, so first step was use synonyms of your job title and try to search that. Okay, and there is another way of searching on the NOC website. One is through your job title, the other one is through your NOC code. Okay, so for example, if you had a friend who applied for Canadian immigration, who was your colleague, you can ask them what was your NOC code, so you can actually search through that NOC code and you will be good to go. Okay, so that was the first step. Now the second tip, if you cannot find according to your job title, and job titles don't matter either, actually the job duties, they matter. Okay, so the second tip is, if you will Google occupational structures of NOC code 2016, then and they're going to show you, and I'm going to leave a screenshot here and read it out in front of you. Okay, a NOC code that starts with 0, it is a management occupation. 1 is business, finance, administration occupations. 2 is natural and applied sciences and related occupations. 3 is health occupations. 4 is occupations in education, law, social, community, and government services. 5 is occupations in art, culture, recreation, and sport. 6 is sales and service occupations. 7 is trades, transport, and equipment operators and related occupations. 8 is natural resources, agriculture, and related production occupations. 9 is occupations in manufacturing and utilities. Okay, so you find your industry first. If you cannot find your NOC code, find your industry. Now let me give you an example. I'm a sales manager. Okay, so where should I look? Which industry should I look? Should I look into sales and service occupations, or should I look into 0, that is management occupations? So let me give you an answer. I should be looking for management occupations because I'm a sales manager. Okay, if I was a salesperson, then maybe I would be looking at NOC code starting with 6. Okay, but if I am a sales manager, or if I'm a restaurant manager, then management occupations, my NOC will be there. Okay, so whenever you cannot find your NOC code for your job title, you will always find a NOC code for your industry, and then you can research whether the duties match with you or not. You would be able to shortlist 2-3 NOC codes, and then you will decide that which NOC code best matches with my profile. Okay, so this was the ultimate tip. Okay, and if you follow one of these 2 tips, then you would be able to find your NOC code. Okay, so with these words, this is Ali Iftikhar, and I am wishing you all the best.